Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this pocket that has no thread showing outside of it. It looks hard, but trust me, it's easy as ABC. Just to commit to the end of this tutorial and you'll be able to make this pocket. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I did is I had my fabric and I stitched the top, of course, because I'm making a pocket. Before then, I gummed hairstay on my pocket as usual, and then I made a pattern of the pocket I want to make. The width is 4.5 and then the height is 5.75, and then I curved it down so that I can have this beautiful curve at the bottom. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I just trim off the edges, leaving about 3/4 inch around the pattern we made, like this. Just cut it out. There you go. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just put the fabric on that so that I can enjoy ironing. I'm just going to iron it like this. I'll just iron it like this or through. Just take your time doing this so that I can get the perfect curve. Just take your time, no need to rush. So guys, if this is your first time visiting this channel, please just hit the subscribe button. It's right below this video. Just click the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a tutorial, you'll be notified by YouTube and you go ahead and watch it. Just don't just click on the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button and then click the bell button as well. Then you'll be notified whenever I drop a video, and then you go ahead and watch. Okay, so as you can see, I removed the paper and then I ironed it again so that it give me the perfect shape I want. So what I'll do is I'll go to my machine and take note. I will increase the size of my stitch till the biggest, the fastest, right? So I'll just sew over it with the biggest stitch. So just watch and you see how I was able to perform the magic of taking out the thread even though I'm sewing it right now. So just sew around it with the biggest stitch. There you go. I know you are wondering, oh, we've sewn it, but how are we going to remove? Just watch till the end of this video and you see how I was able to achieve that. You can able to do it. The beautiful thing about this is that you can do it on your kaftans, you can do it on your suits and a lot more. So just stick with me and let's continue. So as you can see, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to open it like this. You can see that 3/4 inch of fabric we left on the inside. This is the use now. We are going to open it like this and we are going to start stitching on the inside. This is where the magic happens. We are going to start stitching from the inside. Now this time around, you are going to reduce your stitch to the normal stitch, sewing stitch. If before the outside one was a 5, now you'll be sewing it around a 2 or thereabout, depending on how your machine is configured. So you just sew it like this gently. Alright, just sew it gently. No need to rush. As you can see, it looks difficult, especially if the pocket you are making is a very small pocket. It will look stressful and difficult sewing it. But if you are doing a bigger pocket, it will be easier. It will be easier, right? So just take your time and sew it. Make sure you sew as close as possible it is to the end of that 3/4 inch of allowance you left inside. Sew as close as possible to that point. Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward this part so that so there you go. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to lose the stitch on the outside. I believe by now you're already getting the gist. So I'm just going to carefully lose the stitch we did outside. So you can see why you need to do a very big stitch so that it will be easy for you to lose. And remember, as you are losing it, you know there's one other stitch inside that we did. You can see the stitch that's remaining, the one we did inside that is still there. So you can see it. So we'll go to the table now and we'll just finish it. You can see how it is squeezed. That is fine. I will explain to you how to remove the squeezes. So first of all, when you iron, you don't iron on the outside. It will make the stitch permanent if you iron on the outside first. So you turn the inside and iron it on the inside. Actually, this is a hack. Whenever you sew and whatever you sew is squeezed, don't iron on the outside. It's going to make the squeeze permanent. Iron on the inside. That's on the inside part of the stitch. It's going to free up the squeeze. Then you can turn the outside and iron it. So that's the free tutorial, right? That's a free hack. So iron on the inside. Make sure the squeezes are gone. You can see, or at least the squeeze should be reduced to the barest minimum. You can see. Now we can iron on the outside, and of course it's the outside, so I'm going to put my fabric so that it will prevent it from shining. So I'll just go ahead and fast forward this process. You can see how I'm taking my time to iron. There is no need to rush in tailoring. You have to take your time. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, because I don't want this part to be showing, I'm just going to remove it. That's not the whole part. I definitely cannot do that. I'm just going to remove the part that's close to the top so that it not show. You can see it. Just remove it on both sides. Please guys, if you watch up to this point, thank you so much. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It's free. You are not going to be charged for subscribing to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button. It's below. Be part of my family. Be my friend. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Be my guy. Iron it gently. So there you go. You can see it. It is sewn, but the stitches is not showing outside. This is how the magic is done. I used to see pockets like this and wonder how did the sewing machine go inside of the pocket to sew it. Well, this is how it is done, and it is quite easy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next one.